Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious and easy omelet, just like Jamie Oliver's method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 or 3 large, fresh eggs, a small knob of butter, and any fillings you love, like cheese or herbs. Make sure your non-stick pan is ready, ideally around 20 to 24 centimeters, and have your fillings prepped and chopped. This makes the cooking process smooth and quick. Now, let's get those eggs ready. Crack 2 or 3 eggs into a bowl, add a pinch of salt and pepper for flavor. Whisk them really well for about 30 seconds until they're light, airy, and a bit frothy. This aeration is key for a fluffy omelet. While you're whisking, place your non-stick pan on medium-high heat and melt a small knob of butter. Ensure the butter coats the entire bottom of the pan. Once your pan is hot and buttered, pour in the whisked eggs. Immediately swirl the pan gently to spread the egg mixture evenly across the bottom. As the edges begin to set, use a spatula to push the cooked egg towards the center, tilting the pan to allow the uncooked egg to flow underneath. Repeat this a few times, working quickly, until most of the egg is set but still a little moist on top. This creates that lovely, soft texture. Now for the best part, your fillings. Sprinkle your chosen ingredients, like grated cheese or fresh herbs, over 1/2 of the partially set omelet. Let it cook for just another 10 to 20 seconds to warm the fillings through. Then, using your spatula, carefully fold the empty half of the omelet over the filled half. Gently slide your perfectly cooked omelet onto a plate. Serve it immediately and enjoy your quick, delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.